How to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix if your TikTok creator tools is not showing. First off, what you're going to have to do is open up your TikTok and make sure that you are logged into your account and go over to profile at the bottom right. On your profile, you should have TikTok Studio or Creator Tools over here. So if you head over to TikTok Studio, you can find all of your content over here, including all of other tools like analytics and monetization. Now you can find more tools down below. You can have your account checked. You can check the benefits and other stuff here. So let me just go back. And to access creator tools, you just tap on the three dots at the top right. Then from there, you can easily find all of your tools from here. Go to settings and privacy. If you don't see TikTok Studio or Creator Tools, then you need to have a creator account. So you can check that on your account type. For that, head over to account. And as you can see, I've already changed my TikTok to a creator account since it's showing me switch to personal. If you have a personal, it will show you switch to creator account or professional account. Now go back here. And if you still don't see it, go to the bottom section, find Help Center. And here, all you have to do is tap on Submit a Report. Now, I briefly explained that you're not able to find the Creator Tool option or your TikTok Studio option and tap on Submit. You should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.